Okay guys, so pupunta tayo ngayon sa isang anime convention and mag-i-interview tayo ng mga tao to see and ask if which one of these two fragrances smells better, and let's see if they can identify which one of these two is the expensive one. Syempre, naka-blind state tayo. So let's see. Let's go! And kung meron palang mag-approach sa akin na follower ko, I will give one of these two. I have here Prescripto and Coriolis fragrance. Yun lang. Peace. Hello, may I ask your name?
Yes po. My name is Rain Vinis Di Mercado po.
Hello Rain. Okay, so I will ask you to smell two fragrances and to see if what smells better. Dalawang to. So this is fragrance number 1. Okay, and this is fragrance number 2.
For my opinion po, I think this one is more expensive because it has more fragrance and it feels like it has royalty on your body and a body odor. It can also help you like improve the body odor and also your clothes. Pero honestly, this is the most expensive one for my opinion po.
Okay, would you be surprised if I told you that this is expensive one? This is Versace Eros Flame. Yes, and this is the inspired of Versace Eros Flame, which is Endocents.
Oh, wow! Wait, na-shock ako.
Hello, what is your name?
Patricia po.
Okay, Patricia, who are you cosplaying as?
Gojo Satoru sa Jujutsu Kaisen. Gender.
Female version. Okay, but I have two fragrances here. Gusto kong malaman kung anong opinion mo and to see which one is better from one another, okay? I have here fragrance number 1 and fragrance number 2.
Ang much better ko is this one. Mas mabango siya. Dito, parang light yung smell.
Okay,
Tatagal ito.
okay, so between those two, sa tingin mo, saan yung mas mahal?
Feeling ko lang, ito. Pero, baka ito din. Pero ito talaga yung, baka mahal. Pero baka mind tricks lang, ito yung mahal. Pero ito yung pinili ko.
Okay, so this is the expensive one. This is Versace Eros. And this one is Versace Eros din, pero inspired lang siya from Endocents. Okay, so anong pangalan mo?
Angelica.
Sino kinocosplay mo?
Si Nana Mikento na gender bend.
Oh, okay. Sunog na siya. Anyways, okay, Angelica, so meron akong dalawang fragrance dito and I want you to say kung ano mas better. Is it the scent 1? Ito. And this is the scent 2. Okay, so between those two, tingin mo, saan yung most expensive? Is it the star or the circle?
Para sa akin yung star, yung mas expensive.
What if I told you na mas mahal talaga is itong si Circle? Yes, the Circle one is Versace Eros Flame. Is worth 4,000 pesos. While this one is Versace Eros Flame din, pero inspired perfume na siya by Endocent.
Mas mabango ko to. Mas okay ko.
Okay, so I wanna ask, what's your name?
I'm Kiaru on Instagram.
BMCXRS on Instagram. UA.
Okay, may I ask, who are you portraying as right now?
I'm portraying as Cruel Tepes from Owari no Seraph.
Ayaka from Genshin Impact. Dazai from... Wait lang, nalimutan ko po yung name.
Wala na akong alam. Yes, pero naalala ko Owari no Seraph. Basta yun. Anyways, guys, I do have two fragrances here. I wanted to ask you which one smells better. Is it fragrance A or fragrance B? This is fragrance A. Sorry.
Wala talaga alam. Lagi, wait lang.
And this is fragrance B.
Naisip ko na po eh. Ay, okay. Ano kainin? Ay.
Kainin mo, babe, baka masarap.
It smells the same. No, it doesn't. It smells the same.
Masyadong matapang yung fragrance A. Tapos yung fragrance B parang sakto lang, parang vanilla.
Ay, hindi. Ito
Okay, let's call it fragrance star and circle.
matapang kong star, tapos yung circle. Like,
Mild.
yeah. Ay, oh. Diba?
Kainin mo na, babe.
Okay, so question guys, which one is better? Is it the fragrance star or fragrance circle?
Ano yung mild?
Probably the, yung mild, yung circle. Yeah, I'm thinking the mild one as well.
Hmm?
Circle?
Circle? How about you?
Circle.
Yung circle.
Okay, so circle. Okay. Question again is, which one of those two is much more expensive? Sa tingin nyo?
Feeling ko yung mas matapang kasi lahat ng matatapang yun yung sobrang expensive.
So, alin?
Yung matapang.
Star or circle?
Ano ba yung matapang ulit? Ito yung matapang? Ito yung mild. Ito yung matapang. Wait. Ganito na utak. Wait lang. Yung, ito po yung expensive. Ito po yung expensive.
Okay. Bale, this one is, the star is the cheaper one, and then the circle is the more expensive one.
Jaina na lang.
Actually, the circle one is Versace Eros Flame, which costs around 4,000 pesos. And the star one is Versace Eros Flame din, pero inspired perfume by Enzo Scent. Yun lang.
Diba? Mag-same ng amoy niya.
Chijolet, take 2. Mali pala.
So, okay.
It's always the milder one.
Yes. Anyways, thank you. So yun, uwi na ako. It's my first time doing some interviews. Thank you nga pa sa cameraman ko. And yun na nga. It's a bit awkward since it's my first time. Especially in a crowded place. Maybe I'll try to do better. Pero yun na nga. So far, the day
Balik tayo bukas.
went good. Balik kami bukas. Let's see kung ano nga bang OG versus inspired ang gagawin natin. Bye! Peace!